How to fix call bearing network or SIM card error. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are facing the issue of the call bearing network or the SIM card error, the first thing you are supposed to do is to eject out your SIM card, then insert it back. Also, make sure that the network that you have subscribed to has a good network connection or it is not under maintenance. Now, once you have tried the first method to eject it and insert it once again, but still it is not working, then follow this next step. You need to tap open your phone settings and scroll down to check out the apps option. Here, head over to all apps so that you can search for SIM Toolkit. So over here, you can check if your SIM card is working or not. And if you see any of the default regarding it, always tap on force stop firstly so that it can restart your SIM toolkit. Then head over to storage and cache and tap on the clear cache option. One of the things that you can try is to enable airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off once again. Then this will help you to resolve your call bearing network or SIM card error. If the issue still persists, there might be hardware issue which you need to go ahead and check it out in the hardware repair store, or just dial or call to your SIM card provider. Hopefully this was informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.